Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling a common task: transferring BUSD from Coinbase to Kraken. This step-by-step guide is straightforward, secure, and perfect for beginners or seasoned traders looking to optimize their portfolios. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need active accounts on both Coinbase and Kraken, with BUSD available in your Coinbase wallet. Also, verify that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms to keep your funds safe. Crypto security is no joke in 2025. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find the BUSD asset. Click on it to open the details page. Here, select the Send or Withdraw option, depending on the interface, but it's usually straightforward. Step 2. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Head over to your Kraken account, go to the deposit section, and select BUSD. Kraken will provide you with a unique wallet address. Copy this carefully to avoid any mistakes. Paste it into the Coinbase send form, and double-check for accuracy because one wrong character could send your BUSD into the void. Step 3. Specify the amount of BUSD you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated total to ensure it's worth it. Once you're happy, hit confirm. You'll likely need to approve the transaction via email or your authenticator app. After that, keep an eye on your Kraken account. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, you're good to go. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure. Wrapping this up, transferring BUSD from Coinbase to Kraken in 2025 is easier than ever, but always prioritize security. If you follow these steps, you'll avoid common pitfalls. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.